Or do you want me to bring the officers who,
You can bring out, you can bring out, Vincent, Derek, Iron, Dixon,
these are defendants?
yes,
Or, okay.
and Juwan Robinson is already here.
Yes, I'm here.
Juwan Robinson.
And I'm waiting on Mr. Dixon to come out. Mr. Robinson and Mr. Dixon, please turn on your video. Sit up, Mr. Robinson. You have to sit up, you're in court. You lay back on the chair. Please sit up. Thank you. The 36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there's no talking, reading, eating, sleeping. When your name is called, please unmute your devices and give your full attention to the court. Good morning, Your Honor.
Huh? No, I have that. I need, Juwan Robinson and Iron Dixon. This is the people versus Vincent Derek, ticket number P1283024, count one, driver license suspended. Juwan, please state your name for the record, starting with attorney.
Morning, Your Honor, Ryan Hill on behalf of Mr. Vincent. Mr. Vincent, say your name.
Vincent Derek.
Judge, this matter is set for trial today. The officers failed to appear. Motion to dismiss.
All right, status is dismissed without prejudice. You are all set, Mr. Derek, good luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
This is the people versus Iron Dixon, SP 1247465, count one, drive while license revoked. Good morning, please say your name to the record.
Ryan Hill on behalf of Mr. Dixon. Mr. Dixon, say your name.
Ryan Dixon.
Your Honor, set for trial today. Officers failed to appear. Motion to dismiss.
Status is dismissed without prejudice. And you are all set, Mr. Dixon.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. All right, and this is the people versus Juwan Robinson, ticket number 217283852. One, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number 217283853. Open alcohol, the motor vehicle driver, and ticket number 217283861. Reckless driving. Good morning, please say your names to the record, starting.
Ryan, sorry, Judge. Ryan Hill on behalf of Mr. Robinson. Mr. Robinson, say your name.
Juwan Robinson.
Judge, all these matters are set for trial. The officers failed to appear. Motion to dismiss.
All right, these matters are dismissed without prejudice. You are all set, Mr. Robinson. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
We have Miss Ridenhour. She was from yesterday. We called her, but her audio is not connecting. So once her audio connects, we can just do her really quickly. Mr. Dixon, did I do your case?
Dudley's going to be a dismissal, and then Rono, RONO, is also a no PO, Judge.
Oh, Rono, oh yeah, okay, you can bring out Enoch, Rono.
Wrong. And can I have the correct spelling of Ms. Ridenhour's name, please? Correct spelling of Ms. Ridenhour's name, last name.
Ridenhour.
Okay, got it.
So, Mr. Hill, that one, she's charged with misdemeanor, no insurance, misdemeanor, and expired plates. The offer is to plead responsible to the civil infraction expired plate. All right. And as soon as she connects her audio, we can just basically do it on the record. All right, this is People versus Enoch Rono, ticket number U56907220, count one. I guess, receiving and admitting. All right, and then ticket number P1252997, count one, tinted windows, front driver passenger windshield, more than 4 inches. Count two, open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver, and count three, no proof of insurance. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Hill.
Ryan Hill on behalf of Mr. Rono. Mr. Rono, state your name, please.
Enoch Rono.
Your Honor, all these matters are set for trial and or formal hearing. The officers failed to appear. Motion to dismiss.
All right,
Thank
these matters are dismissed without prejudice. Mr. Rono, you are all set, sir.
Thank you.
Judge, I have a quick question on the individual that's trying to connect to audio. Ma'am, if you can hear me, you have to click connect to Wi-Fi audio or telephone audio on your phone if you can hear us. Mr. Rono, you can log off.
Okay.
And Judge, I do have a question with the individual that's trying to log on right now with audio. Has the offer already been accepted by her? It just needs to be placed in the record?
I don't know. I think
Okay.
we just need to do it, right? Yeah, we need to.
It hasn't been accepted yet.
It hasn't been accepted, so we don't even know if she wants it. We could just
Okay.
do everything on the record, but, anyone else that we're gonna call that?
Let's see who's in the breakout room.
And I'm just checking, is Jasmine Rose here?
She's not here.
Okay, because there's several officers.
Yeah, they can, I told them at 10:30 they could go,
Okay,
bring them out.
okay.
You going back in there, Madam Prosecutor? You want me
I
to?
can do that. I can go and jump in there. Hold on.
What about for, Myrna Frederick Dean?
I need to talk to Attorney Hill about hers.
Okay.
Um,
Ms. Ridenhour? Can you hear
Yes.
us now? Okay, so your offer is to plead to the civil infraction expired plates, which is a fine of $145, and then the no insurance charge would be dismissed. So that is the offer. Do you have your registration and insurance?
Yes, I do.
Put it up to the screen.
Oh, I don't have it on me. It's in the car. Can I go and get it real fast? But I do have it.
What we call it? Get it real fast.
Okay, I'll be right back.
All right, Officer Williams, you are all set. KPS Jasmine.
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
All right.
Morning, guys.
Judge, I'm ready on Larry Dudley, Jasmine Robinson, and Siobhan Rogers, if the court wants to call those.
Officer Balia, you are all set, sir. We will KPS Jasmine Rose. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor. I appreciate that. You and your staff have a wonderful day.
Thank you. Okay, now say it again.
I'm ready on Larry Dudley, Jasmine Robinson, Siobhan Rogers.
And Mr. Petway, just real quickly, did Dominique Dent check in?
No.
Okay, that's the high BAC trial that Officer Herman is here on. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
They were pronounced though.
Okay.
I forgot about me.
Mr. Dudley, could you gotta eliminate the noise. And remove your hand, Mr. Dudley.
I'm going to the room now where I was at for an hour waiting for y'all.
Remove your hat, Mr. Dudley.
Yeah. Mr. Hill, you said Dudley, Jasmine Robinson, and who else? Reinhardt? Is that what you said?
Siobhan Rogers.
This is the People versus Jasmine Robinson. Speaker number 312-84855, count one, drove on license, not valid, license, count two, drive or entitled vehicle, count three, no insurance misdemeanor, ticket number P616198, count one, drive on license, not valid or improper license, and that is it. That's it. Good morning, please say your name for the record, starting with Attorney Hill.
Ryan Hill on behalf of Ms. Robinson. Ms. Robinson, state your name, please.
Jasmine Robinson.
Judge, this is a show cause. I've spoken to my client. We're asking for a bench trial, not a jury trial date. Is that right, Ms. Robinson?
Yes.
All right. Raise your right hand, Ms. Robinson. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
And you understand you have the right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Does anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
Understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder.
Yes.
We're going to continue your not guilty plea set up for a bench trial for November 1st at 9 o'clock.
Okay.
You're all set.
All right. Thank you.
This is the People versus Siobhan Rogers, ticket number P1332882, count one, driver's license never acquired, count two, improper plates, count three, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your name for the record, starting with Attorney Hill.
Siobhan Rogers.
Ryan Hill on behalf of Ms. Rogers. She's already stated her name. Judge, this is a show cause. My client too is asking for a bench trial, not a jury trial. She has 2 out of the 3 documents. Ms. Robinson, you want a bench trial, is that correct?
Yes.
Raise your right hand, Ms. Rogers. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Hand out, you understand you have the right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Does anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
Understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder.
Yes.
Court's going to continue your not guilty plea set up for a bench trial for November 1st at 9 o'clock.
Thank you.
You're all set. You can hang up. This is
Thank
the People versus Larry Dudley Jr., ticket number P1333350, count one, disregard signal red or amber, ticket number P1333352, count one, improper place, count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Hill.
Good
Ryan
morning.
Hill.
My name is Barry Dudley Jr.
Ryan Hill on behalf of Mr. Dudley. Judge, all I have on my docket is 2 improper plates and no insurance misdemeanor. So does the court have an offer for the civil infraction?
The civil infraction is, the offer is limited access, 60 to 55 mile per hour zone.
Mr. Dudley, so the court more than likely is going to dismiss the insurance in the improper plates because you provided me documentation. The 3-point offense being amended to limited access, you said 60 to 55, Judge?
Yes.
60, 55, which is, that's 0 points.
Yes.
So it's no points, Mr. Dudley. It's still abstracts on your record, though. Do you want to take advantage of that plea?
There's no points. There's no points.
Yes, no points. Judge, my client's going to avail himself of the offer. I have confirmed his documentation for the insurance and registration.
All right, so with that, you stipulate the ticket number P1333350.
So stipulated.
All right, that count is amended to limited access 16 and 55 mile per hour zone. We'll proceed to sentencing. There's a fine, I think it's 125. Because it's a civil infraction, you have 14 days to pay it. Can you have this paid by October 4th?
Yes, Your Honor, thank you.
Did you have any questions?
No, I do not. Do I just come down to the court? That the only, yes, I do. The only question I do have is, do I come to the courts and make that payment?
You don't have to. You can do it online. You can do it over the phone. There's kiosks around the city at Meyer or CVS called DivDebt.
Okay. All right, that'll be all, Your Honor. Thank you.
You're all set.
Thank you. Have a good day. Thanks, referee. Attorney.
No problem, buddy.
All right.
All right, this the people versus Pamela Rittenhour, ticket number P129690, count 1, no insurance, misdemeanor, count 2, expired plate. Again, state your names for the record.
Ryan Hill on behalf of the defendant.
Unmute yourself within the bottom left-hand corner, Ms. Rittenhour. There should be a microphone. You need to tap that. You might have to click the screen first. We can't hear you because you're muted. There you are.
Okay. Yes, I'm here.
You have your registration.
Yes, I do.
Put it to the camera. A little closer. I just need, oh, okay. Okay, so that expires May 1st, 2021. That's expired.
Yes. No, not at this time because of the infraction.
Okay, so that's why the offer is, if you plead to the expired plate, the misdemeanor would be dismissed. And it's $145 fine. Do you want to take advantage of that offer, or do you want to set this for trial?
No, I will take advantage of the offer.
All right, so with that, Mr. Hill, do you stipulate to ticket number P129690?
We do.
And you stipulate the probable cause? As to the
Yes.
Yes. So count 1 is dismissed without prejudice. As I indicated, there is a fine of $145. Because this is a civil infraction, it's due in 14 days. Can you have this paid by October 4th?
Yes, I can.
Okay, so it's 145. Do you have any questions?
Where do I make the payment? Do I have to return to court?
No, you can pay it online or at CVS and Myers. There's a kiosk called DivDebt, or there's a phone number you can call and pay it over the phone. Whenever you're ready, I can give you that number.
Okay, that's good. Thank you.
You want the number?
Yes.
Okay, are you ready?
Yes, I am.
It's 855
855
798
798
1547.
1547.
Yes. All right, so you're all set, ma'am.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Good luck. Anything else you're ready on, Mr. Hill?
I just need to know if Ms. Horn's done an offer on those civil infractions that were in default for Mr. Glenn. And then,
I forgot to mention that to her. So well, she needs to talk to you anyway about Torian Durham, and then I'll, while you're there, talk to her about, who was it with the civil infractions? Glenn Douglas.
Glenn Douglas.
She needs to talk to you about that one. What about Manuel Richards? Are you ready on that one?
No, he wants a trial, Judge.
He wants to have an actual trial?
Yeah, that's what he wants. And then as it relates to, there's one more that Verna Derek Frederick.
Yeah.
The facts that she gave me does not support the charges. I want to talk to Tamika or Ms. Horn about that as well.
Okay, what about Cordero Reinhardt?
Isn't that the lady that we just did?
No, she was from yesterday, who we just did. No, Cordero Reinhardt is, oh, they're not here. That's okay.
I have Demetrius Dawson
What
and
about Alicia Riley?
Not here, Judge.
Alicia, right.
Is that okay, yes? And
Not here. I have Philip Rowe, which I think is Mr. Torres's client, and I have Mr. Durham.
What about Demetrius Dawson?
Let me look at my thing here.
Show cause, no insurance, no license. I don't know if you have an offer. It's either improper
Oh.
place.
Sorry, Judge. He would like a bench trial on that one too.
Okay, let's bring him out.
Sure.
Now, which one to bring out?
Demetrius Dawson and Room
Dawson and who?
8. Demetrius Dawson, they're in Room 8.
Eric LeMay. I am so sorry. You said Demetrius Dawson. Who's the other one?
That's it.
That's it.
Okay.
Let me, all right, this is the people. This is the people versus Demetrius Dawson, ticket number SP 1116016, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor, ticket number, count 2 rather, driver's license suspended. Good morning, please state your names for the record, starting with Attorney Hill.
Ryan Hill on behalf of Mr. Dawson. Mr. Dawson, state your name, please.
Demetrius Dawson.
Judge, this is set for a show cause. My client wishes to have a bench trial, not a jury trial. Is that right, Mr. Dawson?
Yes,
Okay, raise your right hand, Mr. Dawson. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
yes,
Put your hand down, sir. You've had an opportunity. You understand you do have the right to a jury trial.
can you repeat that?
You understand you have the right to a jury trial?
Yes,
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
no,
You understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder?
yes, yes,
Okay, so the court's gonna continue your not guilty plea, set it for a bench trial for November 1st at 9 o'clock,
okay.
okay? Any questions, sir?
No, ma'am.